I am Deepak Sakla, Assistant Professor of JCRC College, Jaipur. Today we will discuss about the Power Electronics Lab experiment number 4, which is the study and obtain the waveform for single phase bridge rectifier. In this practical, we will study about to know how to find out the firing angle when we are apply the input signal and in a bridge rectifier. As we tell about the study and obtain the waveform for single phase rectifier. So bridge rectifier convert AC signal into DC signal. So before start the practical, we should know about the circuit diagram as a theory portion. So initially we will apply a AC signal 230 volt. This AC voltage is applied to the bridge. So initially we will design the bridge. This is SCR, this is SCR, this is Thevenin circuit, and this is your load. So this one D1, D2, D3 and D4. It is also called T1, T2, T3 and T4. So in this circuit what's happened, D1 and D3 work during positive half cycle and D2 and D4 work during negative half cycle. What's the mean of that? It means which one SCR will be on at a particular cycle. I will tell about that. So these two conditions are for that getting, and we will mark it A, B, C and D. At point A and B we will apply AC input signal. At point C and D we connect the load. So student will be able to know by using the theory where the connection will be done. So I will explain very simple way, means student will be able to where we are apply the AC signal, where we apply the load. Now we will in this practical we will take voltage at this point for positive and negative half cycle. So student will be know about that particular things when we are perform the practical. So on kit what's happened by using this the circuit diagram. So first point is initially we will apply 230 volt AC signal as input. In a second process we will connect Thevenin circuit, and third one is a load. So we will see that now connection. At this connection as a given circuit in a practical platform how will perform to you. So for making a bridge initially, so SCR2 negative outside negative point connected to SCR1 positive. Second point, SCR3 negative connected to SCR4 positive. SCR2 positive is connected to SCR positive, SCR3 positive, and fourth is SCR1 negative connected to SCR4 negative. So by using this connection we will design the bridge now as triggering function. Simple connected G1 to G2, G1 to G2 triggering, it is given the point of as a triggering, yani same notation will be connected to the same notation like K1 to K1 of SCR. This is SCR and this is triggering point, so they will be connected to each other, same as G2 to G2 and K2 to K2. So we will done all the connection by practical. So we have to design the bridge and we have to apply the trigger. Getting? Now third point is the AC supply. So we will apply the AC supply. How will be connected? The positive, as we will see in a AC portion, there is a two terminal, positive and negative. So positive terminal is connected the common point of SCR2 negative, SCR1 positive, as given in a circuit diagram, given in a kit, A1 point there. And for negative supply, common point of SCR3 and SCR4. So in a practical you will see that A4 there will be points, it will be connected. Load, 4 portion of that. So in this load is connected as a given circuit, it will be the common point of D1 and D2 and D3 and D4, common point will be there. So we will be connect these two terminals. At this point we will be measure the firing voltage and angle. So now triggering 1 we will increase and see the lamp which is given on kit. It will glow at full intensity, then we will measure the voltage. Same procedure we will apply for triggering 2. And we will bulb will be glow at the complete intensity, and we will able to know the voltage for negative half cycle also. So note this voltage, note down this voltage. This is the complete the experiment. I have to tell about how all the connection is done and what is the process to find out the firing voltage by using this practical. Okay, thank you. Now we will perform the practical of single phase fully controlled bridge converter. In this experiment we will see on the kit, we can see that there is a power supply, there is a 4 triggering for 4 SCR we are using for designing of bridge, there is a triggering points and there is a input of the tap, and this is the variation of your triggering firing angle at different points. We will design the bridge for particular things. So initially A1 will be connected to the K2, this A2 will be connected to A3, and this K1 is connected to the negative terminal of both the SCR1 and SCR4, and last one is a K3 is connected the A4. This is you have to design the bridge of particular, perform the practical. Now we will apply the gate. So G1 is connected to the G1 gate, K1 is connected to K1, this is triggering circuit 1, G3 is connected to G3, and this K3 is connected to the K3 terminal. This G2 triggering circuit 2 connected to the SCR2 triggering, we are apply that, this A2, and last one is G3 is connected to G4, and this K3 is connected for K3. So we have to design bridge and apply the triggering. Now we will given the input of AC supply. So positive terminal is given to the A1 point. This is the common point of SCR2 and SCR1. As a theory portion we have to explain it circuit. So there only we will design the circuit. So at A1 we are apply the positive supply, and A4 we are apply the negative supply. A4 terminal we are apply the negative portion. So we have to apply the supply. Now we will be measure of that measurement. We are apply the load. So load will be the positive terminal of load is applied to the A2 terminal, and negative of the load is applied the A4, negative of A4. So we have to apply a particular things. Now triggering is 0. So you can see that when switch on the power supply, light will be glow there. So initially we are apply the different firing angle, able to find out the voltage at which the lamp will be glow. So you can see that when we are apply for triggering number 1, you can see that at this point bulb glow at the maximum intensity. We will be find out the voltage at particular points. So you can see that it is approximate to you can see that 51 voltage. You have to again you are increasing the firing. It should be approximate 76. The maximum glow you will be get 72, 74 voltage. You will be get the maximum glow of bulb. So this is your voltage at this point. You are complete fire all the SCR. You can see that. Okay. Thank you.